Hello children, welcome to KR Lakkam Memorial CBSE online classes. In our previous class we have started about three-dimensional shapes. So three-dimensional means these will be having faces. So these will be having faces, edges and vertices. Vertices means corners. I'll show you one by one all the 3D shapes. So this is basic one, that is cube. Cube is having how many faces? Just observe this. This is a cube. All sides will be in same measurement. All the corners will be same measurement. All the faces will be square. Okay. This is cube. Cube is having how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4. Down one, up one. So total 6 faces. First one is cube. So cube faces are 6. Then vertices. Vertices means corners. 1. First down we will check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 corners. Then faces, vertices, edges. Edges means dandegalu. Idike edge anta. So how many edges? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See here 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 edges in cubes. Okay. Next this is cube 3D shape and then cuboid. If this is 3D shape cuboid, it is having rectangular faces, 4 faces and 2 will be square based faces. Okay. We will draw this cuboid. Here faces, vertices, edges. Just see the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 6 faces. Vertices means corners, point galu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 vertices. Edges. Just see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 edges. This is cuboid. Then come to cylinder. Cylinder is having two circular bases. These are the 2 circles and this will be circular. It is having 3 faces. 1 and 2. This is 1 and this is 1. This is circular 1 surface. So 3 faces. Vertices. Here no vertices. 0. Then edges. 1, 2. There are 2 edges. 3 because this is also 1 edge. Then come to cone. Cone is also a 3D shape. I'll show you. See, this is cone. Cone is having 1 circular base and 1 point. It is having 1, 2 faces. Just look at this. And vertex is 1, faces 2. This is 1, this is 2. Then edges 1 and this edge 2. Next, pyramid. Sphere, you know, this is sphere. Sphere is having only 1 circular surface This is not having any vertex, corners or any points. So this is sphere, this is semi-sphere. It means half of the sphere. This is semi-sphere, this is sphere. Next come to the 3D shapes, three-dimensional shapes. This is pyramid. Pyramid, you know, Egypt pyramid, those will be look like this, but bases will be different. This is triangular based pyramid. This is pentagonal based pyramid. See, this is look like pentagon, 5 sides. So pentagonal pyramid. This is also pyramid. Pyramid ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ ಬೇಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. This is square based pyramid. Now 4 sides are there. The square based pyramid, triangular based pyramid, and then pentagonal pyramid. These are the pyramids. In this, one will be point, one corner. So point will be there. So these are our pyramids. Just see this. And one more will come. First I will write about pyramids. First one is triangular based pyramid. Triangular based I'll write that here. See, this is one point. How many faces? See, down one. I'll show you here how many faces this is having. One face, 2, 3, 4. It is having 4 faces. Vertices 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 4. Then edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is having 6 edges. Next come to square based pyramid. Square based pyramid. This is a square. I'll write little corner. This is square based pyramid. This is having faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 faces. Then vertex are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges. Then pentagonal pyramid. It is having base pentagonal pyramid. So it is having faces, vertex and the edges is equal to pentagon means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentagonal pyramid is having how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our surface 5 faces and down one 6. Then vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up one 6. Edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and side 5. Total 10. This is pentagonal pyramid. Then will come prism. Prism andre both the bases will be same. This is pentagonal prism. Here also pentagon, here also pentagon. This is triangular prism. So here also triangle will be there, here also triangle will be there. So triangular prism is having how many faces? Side 3, 4, 5. Yes. Then edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is triangular prism, pentagonal prism. It is having how many faces? 5, 6, 7 faces. Then points are vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then edges, edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is having 15 edges. This all things I have shown. Let's come to the textbook. 3-dimensional shape. The ball is a sphere. The ice cream is in the form of a cone. This can is a cylinder. The box is cuboid. The playing die is a cube. This is the shape of pyramid. Faces, edges and vertices. Each side of a cube is a flat surface called flat face. Two faces meet at a line segment called an edge. Three edges meet at a point called vertex. What is face, what is edge, what is vertex, they have shown. Here is a diagram of prism. Have you seen it in a laboratory? One of its faces is a triangle, so it is called a triangular prism. The triangular prism is also known as its base. A prism has two identical bases. The other face are rectangles. If the prism has a rectangular face, it is a rectangular prism. Can you recall another name of a rectangular prism? A pyramid is a shape with a single base. The other faces are triangle. Here is a square pyramid. Its base is a square. Can you imagine a triangular pyramid? Attempt a rough sketch of it. We have done these all things. Now let's see page number 110. First one they have done a cuboid line. Cuboid looks like a rectangular box. It has 6 faces. Each face has 4 edges. Each face has 4 corners called vertex. A cube is a cuboid whose edges are all of equal length. It has first line is 6 faces, then 4 edges, then 12. How many each of the face has? How many vertex? Each face has 4 vertex. Then third one. After this only you write it. Faces is equal to 6. Then edges is equal to 8. Then vertex is equal to 8. Edges is equal to 12. This also you write these answers in the given blank. Third one, faces is equal to 4. That is triangular pyramid. It is having 4 faces. Edges is equal to 6. How many edges it is having? A triangular pyramid. How many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is having 6 edges, then 4 corners. Yes, then fourth one. A square pyramid having face 5, then edges 8, then corners 5. Yes, just now I have shown. Once again we will discuss. Then last, a triangular prism looks like the shape of a kaleidoscope. It has triangle as its basis. Faces are how many in this triangular prism? 3, 4, 5 faces. Fifth one, 5 faces. Edges are 9. Then corners are 6. Okay. Then exercise 5.9. First one, match this. I hope you see here. This is cone to second. I'll write it here. A cone match to second. B spare. Spare match to fourth one. C cylinder. Cylinder match to fifth. D cuboid match to third. Then E pyramid match to 1. Okay. Then give 2 new examples of each shapes. Give 2 new examples of each shape. So first cone I will give ice cone, birthday cone. And cone ice cream. Then for a spare ball. Then football. Then cylinder, for cylinder, flute. One more is which one? For cylinder, flute, pencil. Cuboid, bricks. Yes, bricks and matchbox. Matchbox. Then pyramid. For pyramid, we can use the pyramid only. Then what shape is? A. Your instrument box.